Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. The topic of our discussion today is industrial access platform stair riser dimension. We'll be looking at the relationship between a riser and a thread. Basically information that has to do with the stairs of an access platform. Typical industrial access platform stair with standard riser dimension range. So there's a standard riser dimension, and this standard riser dimension is a function of where it is being applied, the description of where the riser is being applied. We have, for description, we have industrial access platform typical range. The dimension for this is 150 to 200 millimeters. We have, for the comfortable description, which is recommended, is 170 to 180 millimeters. For maximum commonly allowed, we have 190 to 200 millimeters. So for uniformity of all the risers, it is plus or minus 5 millimeter max. This simply means that for the risers in a step, the highest riser subtracted the highest riser minus the lowest riser of the excess platform should not exceed 5 millimeters. Okay, simply put, highest riser dimension in a stair minus the lowest riser dimension should not exceed 5 millimeters. Okay, so there's something we call the stair relationship, or called the comfort formula. This formula is 2R plus T is equal to a range of 600 millimeter to 650 millimeter, where R is equal to the riser height and T is the thread depth. So we are going to do an example for this formula, where we are going to use R equal to 175 millimeter, which is the riser, and the thread equal to 250 millimeter, which is the thread depth. So using this formula of 2R plus T is equal to the range of 600 millimeter to 650 millimeter. We have 2 times 175 plus 250, which gives us 600 millimeter. So this passes the comfort formula test because it falls within the range of 600 millimeter to 650 millimeter. So it simply says, for a riser of R 175 millimeter and a thread depth, which is T, of 250 millimeter, these two they pass the test for the comfort of the stair. Okay, so if you do the calculation and you get any figure that is below 600 or above 650 millimeter, it means it doesn't pass the comfort formula test. Okay, so notes below, we have, for stairs of an access platform, all risers can be uniform within plus or minus 5 millimeter. We've already mentioned that. The stair angle, this is very important. The stair angle between 30 degrees to 38 degrees is recommended. So for the stairs of an access platform such as this, the acceptable angle is between 30 degrees to 38 degrees. Okay, so for the next one, we say use non-slip grating threads. These grating threads should not be slippery so that personnel having access to the platform don't slip and fall. So the grating threads have to be non-slippery. So another thing is the the access platform and the design of the stairs have to comply with relevant safety standards. For example, OSHA, ISO 141, ISO 14122, and the local codes. Okay, so let's go to the diagram above. This is the diagram. This is what it looks like in picture form. Here, platform height. Okay, so another thing we need to look at is common stairs dimension. The parameter riser height 150 to 200 millimeter, recommended 170 to 180 millimeter. Like we mentioned earlier, for the tread depth we have 240 to 300. For the tread depth we have 240 to 300 millimeter, but recommended is 250 millimeter. Stair width, clear stair width, we have 700 to 1000 millimeter. So we mentioned the stair angle. The next one is the handrail height. The handrail height is 1000 millimeter minimum. Okay. So other diagrams that may interest you to look at. Okay. Basically what a access platform stairs look like. Don't forget the relationship between the tread and the riser. Okay, this is basically how stairs are for access platform. That will be all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you learned anything, you can give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any question. That will be all for today. For those who haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so that you receive the tutorials as we bring them out on a weekly basis. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.